this is Michaela with The Field Production, and these are the week announcements for February 24th, 2023, and this is...
What's going on?
Picket lines and picket signs. Don't punish me with brutality. Talk to me so you can see. Oh, what's going on? What's going on? Yeah, what's going on? Oh, what's going on? Right now.
Hey readers, this is Luwali from Video Productions, and I am here with
Sayatira.
And how much did you practice for the spelling bee?
Every day.
And what can you rate this experience?
9.
Why did you want to join the spelling bee?
Honestly, I didn't want to, but we practiced in the classroom, and I just ended up doing it. And I ended up winning the classroom one.
Did you have stage fright?
Yes.
And I'm here with
Mr. Y.
And why did you offer to speak in the spelling bee?
Well, I've been doing bees at this district since 2001, so it's really fun. I have to admit it, I'm kind of a ham. I like being up here, and we're still going strong with the spelling bee, and we had a nice showing today. Hopefully we'll get more kids next year. But
what can you rate this experience? 1 to 10.
Oh, definitely a 8.5. Study up those words.
What's your name? Awesome, great job today. Fantastic.
How do you get a student ID? Okay. Well, if you need a replacement and you're already in the system, meaning you have already taken a picture on picture day, you can come down here. It's $5 for a replacement. So you come down and I just look you up in the system with this computer right here. I'll show you. Over here, I look you up and then enter your information and it prints out your ID. However, if you are a new student, you don't have a picture, you missed picture day, I can take a picture of you with the webcam on the computer and create a student ID for you. You know, I just need your student ID number, first and last name, grade level. It's pretty easy. It takes maybe like, I don't know, 3 minutes.
This is Sanai from Video Production, and you are?
Amber, Alora, Crystal.
What grade are you guys in?
Sixth.
What is your favorite food or snack at the social?
Pizza, popcorn.
Thank you. This is Sanai from Video Production, and you are?
Esteban.
And what's your favorite part about the social so far?
Hang out with friends.
Okay. Thank you. Hey, this is Sanai from Video Production, and you are?
Manhattan.
Kenny.
Mariah.
And how are you liking the social so far?
It's really fun.
Yeah, it's exciting. I like the pizza and the Sprite.
Same.
Do you want to buy a yearbook? Here's how! Shop now, buy a book.
a look inside your heart. Is there any room for me? I won't have to hold my breath till you get down on one knee, because you only want to hurt me when I'm looking good enough. Did you ever fool me? Would you ever picture us? Every time I pull my hair, was only out of fear that you'll find me ugly and one day you'll disappear. Cause what's the point of crying? It was never even enough. Did you ever want me? Was I ever good enough? But boys are way up, but boys are way up. He doesn't see us. You're not looking at me, boy. But boys are way up, but boys are way up. He doesn't see us. You're not looking at me, boy. Baby, please, I just want to look nice for you. Come stay with me. Oh, you're not around, so what should I do? I thought you liked those look better, girl, just like me. Baby, please, I know you want to change me. Can you take a look inside your heart? Is there any room for me? I don't have to hold.
Okay.
This is the captivating story of Booker T. Washington. This is Booker T. Washington. He was born on April 5, 1856 and died on November 14, 1915. He is best known for founding Tuskegee University. He was born a slave but became a leading African American intellectual. He was the first African American on the postage stamp. He was an advisor to multiple U.S. presidents. DRMS salutes Booker T. Washington and their contribution to our country.
Who was Fred Hampton? Fred Hampton was born on August 30th, 1948 in Summit, Illinois. Fred Hampton was known for the Black Panther Party. We remember Hampton for many reasons. Fred Hampton provided breakfast for kids and medical clinic. Fred Hampton formed an alliance with the Rainbow Coalition. Fred Hampton made truce with rival gangs. Dearman salutes Fred Hampton and his contributions.